The Nikon Z6 II stands as a testament to Nikon's commitment to refining the mirrorless camera experience for both enthusiasts and professionals. Launched in 2020, this camera builds upon the foundation laid by the original Z6, introducing meaningful enhancements that address key feedback from the photography community. With its blend of robust performance, excellent image quality, and thoughtful design, the Z6 II finds itself in a competitive segment, vying for attention among notable rivals such as the Canon EOS R6, Sony A7 III, and Panasonic S5. At the heart of the Nikon Z6 II lies a 24.5-megapixel full-frame backside illuminated CMOS sensor, which, coupled with dual Xpeed 6 processors, delivers impressive speed and responsiveness. The sensor's design ensures that light is captured efficiently, yielding images with strong dynamic range and detail retention, even in challenging lighting conditions. This makes the Z6 II particularly well-suited for genres like portraits, landscapes, and low-light photography, where subtle gradations and clean tonality are paramount. In practical terms, photographers can expect vibrant images with plenty of latitude for post-processing. One of the most notable upgrades over its predecessor is the dual memory card slots, one CF Express XQD and one UHS-2 SD, addressing one of the most common criticisms of the original Z6. This addition offers peace of mind for professionals who require redundancy or wish to separate RAW and JPEG files on different cards. It's a small change with a significant impact on workflow and data security, especially during critical shoots. The Z6 II's autofocus system also sees a marked improvement, now boasting a 273-point hybrid phase and contrast detection array. With enhanced human and animal eye and face detection capabilities, the camera locks onto subjects quickly and accurately, particularly in well-lit scenarios. Portrait photographers and pet owners will appreciate the reliability of eye detection, though the system does show some limitations when tracking smaller or fast-moving animals, especially birds at a distance. Here, Canon and Sony's latest offerings maintain a lead, particularly in challenging action or sports photography environments. Nonetheless, for most general photography tasks, the Z6 II's autofocus proves both responsive and confidence-inspiring. Performance-wise, the camera's burst shooting capabilities are impressive, reaching up to 14 frames per second in 12-bit RAW with single-point autofocus. This enables the capture of fleeting moments, such as candid expressions or decisive sports action. Although the buffer depth and EVF blackout may pose occasional challenges when tracking unpredictable subjects, still, the improved buffer, now accommodating up to 124 shots in 12-bit RAW, means fewer interruptions and greater shooting freedom during high-speed sequences. The Nikon Z6 II's build quality is another strong suit. Its magnesium alloy chassis, paired with comprehensive weather sealing, ensures durability and resilience, whether you're photographing a windswept coastline or a bustling city street. The deep grip and intuitive button layout make for comfortable handling, even during extended shoots. While the camera's weight, 1.4 pounds, may be slightly heavier than some competitors, it strikes a reassuring balance between portability and ruggedness. Ergonomics have long been a hallmark of Nikon design, and the Z6 II continues this tradition, appealing to those who appreciate a camera that feels substantial and secure in hand. Turning to the viewing and interface experience, the Z6 II is equipped with a high-resolution 3.69 million dot electronic viewfinder. This EVF is bright, clear, and accurate, making it easy to compose images and review settings even in bright sunlight. The 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen, while sharp and responsive, does not fully articulate, a constraint for vloggers or photographers who prefer unconventional shooting angles. This limitation is worth noting for those who frequently shoot video or self-portraits. Speaking of video, the Z6 II is a capable hybrid camera offering 4K UHD recording at 30 frames per second with full pixel readout. A firmware update unlocks 4K 60p recording, albeit with a 1.5x crop factor and limited to 8-bit internal recording. For those seeking the highest video quality, 10-bit N-Log or HDR output is available through an external recorder. While this setup yields excellent footage, it does mean carrying additional gear, unlike the Canon EOS R6 or Panasonic S5, both of which offer internal 10-bit recording. The 30-minute recording time limit is another constraint, particularly for interview or event videographers. Nevertheless, in-body image stabilization, IBIS, performs admirably, smoothing out handheld footage and aiding photographers in achieving sharp images at slower shutter speeds. Battery life, powered by the ENEL15C battery, is rated for approximately 410 shots via the LCD, or 340 shots using the EVF. This falls short of the Sony A7 III, which leads the class in endurance, but remains adequate for most day-to-day use. Photographers embarking on longer sessions or travel shoots may want to carry a spare battery or utilize the Z6 II's USB-C charging capability for on-the-go power top-ups. Lens selection is a vital consideration for any camera system, and Nikon's Z-mount ecosystem has grown steadily since its introduction. By 2022, the lineup included 16 native lenses, many within the high-performance S line. These lenses are lauded for their optical sharpness, robust weather sealing, and innovative features like custom control rings. For those transitioning from Nikon's DSLR system, the FTZ adapter extends compatibility to F-mount lenses, maintaining autofocus performance for newer AFS and AFP models. While Nikon's native lens selection is not as broad as Sony's, it covers the most popular focal lengths and specialties, offering both versatility and quality. Placed against its primary competitors, the Z6 II carves out a unique niche. The Canon EOS R6 excels in autofocus speed and internal video capabilities, but does so with a lower resolution sensor and slightly shorter battery life. The Sony A7 III matches the Z6 II in resolution and price, offering superior tracking autofocus and battery endurance, though many users prefer Nikon's ergonomics and menu system. The Panasonic S5 stands out for video-centric features, such as unlimited recording times and internal 10-bit capture, but its autofocus system is less reliable for stills and action. User feedback paints a picture of a camera that is both reliable and adaptable. Photographers praise the Z6 II for its low-light performance, making it a favorite for astrophotography and indoor events. Wedding and wildlife photographers appreciate its fast-burst shooting and dual-card slots, which enhance flexibility and security. While some wish for even faster autofocus or longer battery life, the consensus is that the Z6 II delivers outstanding value, especially for those already invested in Nikon glass. In summary, the Nikon Z6 II is an excellent all-around camera, balancing performance, image quality, and features at a competitive price. It is ideally suited for enthusiasts moving up from older DSLRs, hybrid shooters needing strong stills and video performance, and existing Nikon users looking to leverage their F-mount lenses. While sports and wildlife photographers may crave faster autofocus, and serious videographers might seek more advanced recording options, the Z6 II stands as a versatile tool, robust, reliable, and ready to tackle a wide range of photographic challenges. For many, it represents the sweet spot in Nikon's mirrorless lineup, future-proofed, thoughtfully designed, and capable of delivering exceptional results time and time again.